Jupiter's price increased over 70% in 7 days. But will we start now the real bullish explosion? Or do we see a move to lower levels again? In this video I will talk about Jupiter and share my price prediction for the long and the short term. So let's go straight into the content. First of all, Jupiter is on place 62 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.8 billion. The coin has just existed since February 24 and we made the all-time high a few days ago. And as you can see, the daily chart looks really bullish. We right now broke this last high to the upside. We also retested it with this daily candle and moved to the upside and closed like this. So Jupiter is right now really bullish, and if the total crypto market cap of the altcoins keeps increasing, and if much money comes into the crypto market, the chance that if some money flows into Jupiter that the price will increase is there. And I think also Jupiter is a great project with a very high potential. But if we are looking at the circulating supply, we can see that we have 13.5%, and you always have to be careful if you have a low circulating supply, because when the circulating supply is increasing, the chance that we could see a move to lower levels, that the price decreases, is very high. And we also have right now a very high market cap for a very new coin with this nearly $2 billion. But right now you can see that we are very bullish. Of course, after this bullish explosion, the chance for a bigger retracement is there. And if we are using the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that we have the 0.618 Fibonacci right here at this last high. So if we see a move to lower levels again, then I think the chance is high that we could see a bullish bounce from this last high right here. So if you're not invested right now in Jupiter and the chance is high that we could see lower levels again, then I think this kind of prices are a great chance to get into a potential long trade. And I would also have a look at this demand zone right here, because after the smaller consolidation, we then saw this massive move to higher levels. So the chance if we come back into the zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think it's definitely a great area to get into a potential long trade. And we also have the 0.786 Fibonacci right here. So I personally would look for long positions, because as I said, I think it's a great project and the chances high that we could see even higher prices. And I would use a potential retracement to get into a potential long trade. And if we come back into this zone and see then a bullish explosion over this last highs, then the chance is really high that we could see another price discovery for Jupiter. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Jupiter, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think Jupiter is a great project with a very high potential, but we are already on place 62 of all cryptocurrencies, and this coin is very new. And we also just have a circulating supply of 13.5%. So we have to be careful at Jupiter. But I think the chance is high that we could see massive higher prices. And if we see a move back into this last high or in this zone, then I would definitely have a look at potential long trades right here. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.